how to add text behind person effect on Capcut in PC. Okay, I import a video. I wanted text behind this moving person. I go to text and the text you want. Simply I write subscribe. Then I expand the text layer, adjust video layer. I increase font size, but I want to change this font, so change it. You also change text color and add stroke or animation in your text. Text is not behind the person. Now export the video. Don't worry, just watch. Again I open Capcut and add my edited video and the original video. Keep original video first layer. Then select original video and go to cutout. And auto cutout check mark on it. Now auto cutout applying. Wait until it finish. Now auto cutout is complete and see. Our expected work is here. How smoothly it worked. Text will appear behind this person. So guys, I hope this video save you time. So please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.